Hey, thanks for joining me again. So this one's just tying a few things up with 5 and how it's a real significant number at the minute. We're in May. 5 is alive. Johnny 5 from Short Circuit. I remembered that. And the phrase from that film, Johnny 5. Yeah, number 5 is alive. Number 5 is alive. Is 155. And you may have seen that number now in the video that I've already uploaded. It's uploaded as I'm recording this actually. For the second time I made an error, so I've had to re-record this one. But yeah, you'll recognise 155. That's what exit time is in reverse Fibonacria. 155. It's also number 5 is alive ordinal. So number 5 is alive. 5th of May. 55. 155, just going back to that again, is also the next new moon, 15th of May, 155. That's the Mother's Day weekend, Sunday, and then that's that big 514 date. 514 for Israel's 70th anniversary. Supposedly when the embassy's opening. But 155, next new moon. Number 5 is alive. Short Circuit 155. And I also have been speaking about the numbers 12 and 13. How they're key numbers for time. 12 is time, 13 is the master of that number. Master of time. 12 plus 13 being, of course, 25, which is 5 times 5. So it's the big 5 again. Okay, so we're at 12 and 13 equals 55, which is probably the date that I will have uploaded this, 5th of May, Saturday. 55, 10th Fibonacci number. 55 is also the 125th day of the year, which reminded me of how that looks like 12/5. 12th of May is when the Iran deal has to be finalised. Let me just show 55, 125th day of the year. There we are, so 55, the date that you may be watching this, the day I've uploaded it, 125th day of the year. 12th of May is when the Iran deal needs to be finalised, so that's in a week's time. 240 days remaining, 24, 12 add 12. Spoken about that on the previous video. 55, 125th day of the year then. 12th of May, Iran deal. 12 times 5, of course, is 60. So that's 60 minutes, 60 seconds. Another time link. 12/5. See how it links in for 12 and 13. There's plenty more, so let me just show you the rest of them. First off, go with 1 plus 213. So just using these numbers, that's all we're doing. 1 plus 213, you get 214. That's February 14th for Valentine's Day, 214 for Queen's birthday. Heavily spoken about in lots of previous videos. Other variation then, we've got 121 plus 3. That's 124. That's backwards Queen's birthday. 421. 421. Next one. 1 plus 312. So if we use 13 at the front this time, add it to the rest. 313. I've spoken about that number so often. It's one of the biggest numbers going with it all. Links with Trump for CIC, Commander-in-Chief, C, third letter. I've done a video on how 360 minus 313 is 47, how it's squaring the circle. Because of the Freemason compass, 47 degrees, etc. But 31 times 3, linking back in with Saturn. 93. Saturn has also got a link with 5. Let me just show you Saturn and 5. Wow, can you believe it? That 5% battery remaining whilst recording this video. Incredible. Okay, let me just get Saturn 5 up. 1 second. For some reason my internet's not loading the page, but yeah, there's a very much significant Saturn 5 rocket. So connection there again with Saturn and 5. 31 times 3, 93, the Saturn link. Then the other variation, then 131 plus the other number 2, 133. That's again backwards 3 times 31, so the same as the Saturn. 133rd day of the year is the Mother's Day date I've been speaking about as well, because it's 51 times 3, 153 fishes. But yeah, 133rd day of the year. Time plus the master of time. Just want to show you 133rd day of the year if the internet's loading. No, it's not. Sorry about that. But you'll see how 31 times 5, so the backwards variation of Mother's Day, 315, is 155, which is what they started the video off with. Johnny 5 is alive is 155. Ordinal. Number 5 is alive, sorry. From Short Circuit, number 5 is alive. 155. You can get that from the Mother's Day date, 133rd day of the year. 131 plus 2. I hope that kind of makes sense. The last variation then of 12 and 13, time and the master of it equaling 55. 31 plus 21, so backwards for both. 52 weeks, so linking in with time for the calendar system. 4 times 13, because it's reverse way of doing it, reverse pi. 4 times 13 is 52. 31 and 21. So thanks so much. I hope that all kind of makes sense. Take care. Cheers.